Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we're gonna be creating an Afro pop beat. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW. So I show you guys how you can easily and quickly create an Afro pop beat. Let's go. Yep. So alright, I have this vocal which I got on Splice. So we're gonna be using this vocal to work on this beat. So without wasting time, let me just play what the vocal sounds like. Yeah, just as I listened to the vocal, I just loved it, and I said, okay, I'm gonna use this vocal to just, create a tutorial with it on how you could create like, an Afrobeat hit. So I'm gonna send this vocal to my mixer, and all I just need to do is add some reverb on it, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so I could start playing with the chords, and for the chords, I'm gonna be using SKY keys, guys. I'm gonna be using that because I just love the sounds on SKY keys. Yeah, this is what it sounds like. I'm on the BPM of 80, but I think I'm gonna increase it. So let me just stretch this sample. I'm gonna increase it to around, let's go with 90 BPM. Let's see. Nice. So I could let's put in some chords. Yeah, so let me just record that. Let's call that chords. Nice. So I'm going from my 6 to my 3 and to my 2. So just some minor chords. Let's just extend this, Ctrl Q. Just extend this a little bit. Yeah, so I'm just gonna send it to my mixer, and I think I just wanna use my EQ just to take out some of the lows, because so it doesn't conflict with the bass. And I think I want the chords to glide, so I'm gonna come over to the settings here and just increase the glide a little bit. Yeah, so we have like a nice vocal and some nice chord progression. So I could just start putting in, some drums, and I'm just gonna go get some nice one shots. Let's see. But before then, I think there's this. Let me go over to Splice. I think there's this percussion groove I had on Splice that I really like. Just gonna try. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use this loop. Let me just drag it in. I'll have something like this. This is what it sounds like. But I have to put it on tempo, so I'm just gonna stretch it. Let's go over to 78. Then I'm just gonna stretch it, and I can go to 90 now, and we have it on. I think it's dragging a lot. It has that swing, but I think it's too much for me. Let me yeah, for something like this. I think like this is better. So nice. So I could start bringing in, like my one shots, and I'm just gonna let me put it on piano roll. So we have this. Yep, go to my piano roll. Just increase the velocity. So put my soft clipper. Let's see this percussion. I think I'm gonna use this percussion. Put it over here. Let's create on that pattern. Yeah. Yeah, so this, I think I bring it down a little bit more. So let me go look for like a kick, a very punchy kick. Yeah, so something like that. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. So let me pick this out, put it here. Yeah, so we have like a vibe. Let me look for some nice one shots I could just layer. So let's call this rim. So for the rim, I think I'll just go with so something like that. So I think I can I think I have something nice for my drums. Let's bring this down. Yeah, so I could actually now bring in like some bass, you know, to give it that solid low end, man. So let's see which bass. Let me just save this. Yeah, I'm gonna use this bass. I think we're going from our 6, so nice, nice, nice. So let's put them. Can I bring in the chords? Yes. Yeah, so yeah, so I think I can copy this chord progression, copy the same one, open on that pattern. Let's call this blocks. I don't know what I want to play here, but let us put it down. Blocks, and I'm going to use sky keys. So let me strum it. Yeah, so yeah, so I think I don't need all those parts. Yeah, so I think we have like a very solid vibe. Let me just add some melodies. One, two, three, good. Yeah, okay. Nice, nice. So I think I can add like sub boom bass just to add some nice conga. So I'm gonna be using the default sound. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Chain, just side chain it. Yeah, I can add some drum fills. I think for the chords, for this verse, I'm gonna make it unique. I'll take out this high note. So let's take out this vox. Hook. So I just love the way the percussion, the percussion groove. For me, the percussion groove, man, that's like what I just love about the beat. So let's list it from the top. Yep guys, so I hope you got something from this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button so whenever I post, you get to know. And if you're in the Patreon, you're gonna get access to this FLP and other amazing FLPs on the Patreon channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.